Warning, this video is 20% speculation, not facts. Take everything I'm about to say with a grain of salt, but evidence backs up certain claims. What exact jobs are being threatened by artificial intelligence? America in 2100, you wake up getting tucked out of bed by robot assistants, and you rent out a new car because owning is no longer allowed. You will own nothing and be happy. Imagine a world where everything is automated by artificial intelligence. Every job position such as lawyer, doctor, and anything doable by a human is done by a robot instead. Well, this future is very pessimistic, and to some people it may be unrealistic. But this is what is about to happen to the entire system by 2040. You see? Everyone's worried about a stock market crash, World War II, or maybe another virus. But the real threat to humanity may be artificial intelligence. As humans, we have limited thinking, limited actions, like for example, sleeping 8 hours a day just to be able to maintain. But as robots, they can perform simultaneously better than any human can do with simple tasks such as writing, editing, and answering questions to the best of their ability. Elon Musk has even tried to warn people that AI is exploding at rapid rates and warn of it soon being unstoppable. As the world advances and technology becomes more prevalent, the United States education system is facing a threat that could ultimately lead to its downfall. By 2040, it is projected that the education system will fail its students due to the increasing prevalence of artificial intelligence in the workforce. The education system as it stands today is ill-prepared to handle the challenges posed by AI. The curriculum is based on rote memorization and standardized testing, which fails to encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills. If you are given a test where you had to come up with $10,000 as average citizen with 20 days based on the knowledge you got from college, 99 times out of 100 you will probably fail, such as anything to do with skills you actually need in life or business, like how to get approved for a $100,000 loan, which majority of business major cannot get approved for anything that big. These skills are essential in a world where AI is becoming more prevalent and is taking over jobs that were once preserved for humans. The USA will have no choice but to issue forgiveness to all student loans, since they don't have a capability to give these people who paid six figures for any employment jobs. Imagine a group of 10 million angry Americans getting charged $200 per month and not being able to get employed. There is no other solution. We are going to talk about each highly populated jobs, how many people work them, and how long it would take for AI to replace the average worker.
I see several priorities for the global agenda. We must revitalize the global economy and accelerate its transition to net zero.
Retail salespersons, 4 million people in the United States. Currently, with Murph AI and ChatGPT voice artificial intelligence bots can replicate a sales script around 70% the quality of human trials. It was 40% back in 2020. This means at this rate, by 2024 to 2025, sales jobs could be completely automated by AI. Forbes even posted on April 4th, 300 million workers could be laid off. If you don't see how big of an issue this could be for us, let's go to the next job, which is even more automatable. Cashiers, 3,545,000 workers in the United States. Unfortunately, the automation of cashier jobs is not just a possibility, but a looming reality that could have devastating consequences. Self-checkout machines are already causing a lot of cashiers to lose their job.
Do you use self-checkouts for groceries?
I do. No, I go through the main checkout.
For a small number of items, but not for a large number.
What do you prefer, a shopping cart or a basket, a self-checkout or a cashier?
What's going to happen is robots will be able to do everything better than us. I'm including, I mean, all of us. You know? Like, this is really like the scariest problem to me, I'll tell you.
Leaving many people unemployed and struggling to make ends meet. The Amazon Go store, with its AI and computer version technology, is just one example of how automated system could take over cashier jobs.
4 years ago, we started to wonder, what would shopping look like if you could walk into a store, grab what you want, and just go? We used computer vision, deep learning algorithms, and sensor fusion, much like you'd find in self-driving cars. When you leave, our Just Walk Out technology adds up your virtual cart and charges your Amazon account.
While this technology may seem convenient for customers, it could come to a steep cost for those who rely on cashier jobs to make a living. With more and more stores adopting this technology, it's only a matter of time before the demand of cashiers drops even further. In addition to self-checkout machines and Amazon Go stores, there are several other technologies that can replace the role of cashiers. Mobile payment system and virtual assistants are just a few examples of technologies that can replace human workers. Fast food workers with 3,441,000 in the United States. Fast food workers are a critical component of the food industry in the United States. With an estimated 3,441,000 individuals employed in this sector. However, the widespread implementation of automated machines in fast food chains has already begun to reduce the need for fast food workers. Many fast food chains have already started using kiosks that allow customers to order food without interacting with a human cashier. Additionally, automated machines can now be seen flipping burgers, cooking fries, and preparing other menu items. Companies such as MISO Robotics have created Flippy, a robot that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, from grilling to frying. Furthermore, companies like Zoom Pizza are taking the concept of automation one step further by implementing robots that can create and bake pizzas without the need for human intervention. These robots can measure ingredients, spread sauce, add toppings, and cook the pizza, all without the need for human assistance. Other companies such as Creator have developed robotic machines that can create custom burgers for customers, all while minimizing the need for human involvement. Companies like Starship Technologies have developed robots that can deliver food to customers, eliminating the need for human delivery drivers. These robots can navigate sidewalks and crosswalks and can even interact with customers to provide them with the food they ordered. Registered nurses, 3,237,000 workers in the US, may also be at risk to losing their jobs to AI and robots. So in addition to being highly trained professionals, nurses are also valuable for their ability to provide empathy and human touch to patients, which is somewhat difficult for machines to replicate. However, advancements in technology such as telemedicine and robotic surgery could significantly reduce the need for nurses in certain roles. Telemedicine, for example, allows doctors to diagnose a patient remotely using video conferencing technology. This means that fewer nurses may be needed to assist with in-person appointments. Additionally, robotic surgery has the potential to improve surgical outcomes while reducing the need for human intervention during procedures. With the help of robots, surgeries can be performed with greater precision and accuracy, minimizing the risk of human error. Moreover, there are already products in the market that can do the job of a nurse. For instance, a startup company named Diligence Robotics has developed a robot called Moxie, which can help nurses by delivering supplies, fetching medication, and cleaning patient rooms. The robot can be programmed to perform tasks such as preparing IV bags or collecting used linens. Moxie is designed to take on tasks that are time-consuming, freeing more time for nurses to focus on providing more care to patients. Similarly, AI-powered chatbots can be used to help patients with basic medical questions and concerns, reducing the need for nurses to respond to every patient request. While these technologies have the potential to improve the efficiency and reduce costs, especially in the healthcare industry, they could also have unintended consequences for nurses and healthcare workers in the healthcare industry. Office clerks, 2,941,000. As technology continues to advance, the risk of automation looms over a wide range of professions, including office clerks. The increasing use of digital tools has made it easier for businesses to automate their clerical tasks, reducing the need for human clerks. In today's market, there are a plethora of products that have the potential to automate office tasks such as Microsoft Excel, Google Docs, and Slack. Additionally, with the advent of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, many routine office jobs such as scheduling, reminders, and customer support can be automated, further reducing the need for human clerks. As businesses continue to adopt this technology, the demand of human clerks will continue to decrease. Those who are not able to adapt to this changing landscape may find themselves out of work. Customer service representatives, 2,784,000. around 2.8 million people in the United States alone. The emergence of chatbots and virtual assistants is already changing the landscape of customer service roles, with many companies adopting these technologies to handle simple queries and tasks. Companies such as Amazon, Apple, and Google have already released virtual assistants such as Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistants. With advancement in AI and machine learning, these technologies are becoming increasingly sophisticated and being able to handle more complex tasks. Waiters and waitresses, 2,619,000. The restaurant industry has seen an influx of automation in recent years with the development of various products that could replace human waitstaff. That allows customers to order and pay the meals directly from the table without the need for a waiter or a waitress. Additionally, there have been robots that have been designed to take orders and deliver food, such as the robotic waitstaff created by Bear Robotics. These robots can autonomously navigate through the restaurant and deliver food to customers, eliminating the need for human waitstaff altogether. Similarly, laborers and freight, stock, and material movers hand are at risk of being replaced by robots. With the increasing prevalence of automated warehouses and supply chain systems, robots can perform tasks such as picking and packing products, loading and unloading trucks, and transporting goods within the warehouse. These robots, such as those developed by Boston Dynamics, can perform these tasks with speed and efficiency, reducing the need for human labor. Laborers and freight, 2,548,000. The impact of automation on the laborers and freight industry cannot be overlooked, as we are already seeing a shift towards automation in this field. For instance, companies such as Amazon are using automated machines to handle and move packages in their warehouses, which reduces the need for human laborers. Similarly, the use of automated forklifts and conveyor belts in many warehouses has also become a common practice. These machines are faster and more efficient than human laborers, which means that companies can complete their operations more quickly and with greater accuracy. Now, the thing about all of this automation is that no one who isn't above 1 million net worth is prepared for AIs to come into the market, and once these have fully integrated, there will be no use for humans anymore in the United States. Which is another reason why I am not scared of a stock market crash, because how can the market crash if humans aren't needed in the market and all money is artificial in systems like central banking, digital currency, or coins? I think this AI will revolutionize society, and eventually we will be like dogs are to humans. Just pets. They will take care of us, make sure we behave, and soon enough, working a job will look exactly like how we looked at slavery in sometime in the future, maybe 2100.